Like I'm sick of the how my hair looks right now. This is sickening. I feel like that I'm gonna lose them all. Like it's that bad. If I keep doing like this, they are just coming out. So the hair fall has gotten this bad, and they come out from roots, guys. Breaks my heart. Like this, nothing breaks my heart more than this. So let's find out how to make fermented rice water. So take a handful of rice, add little bit of water in there. Now mix it thoroughly. Make sure that you rinse it off in the first go so that all the impurities can go away. Place a pan on the stove, add 300 ml of water, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for 2 to 3 days and then it will be fermented. So guess what, guys? I have my rice water here. And now I am going to be applying it all over my hair, and I'll leave it for 30 to 40 minutes, not beyond. So let's start applying. Oh God. Oh fuck. I guess the way I am applying it is incorrect. I need to search for something else. So hi guys, this is going to be day 3 and I really wanted to show you my hair, although I have lost a lot of hair because of the hair fall. This is monsoon hair fall. We all know that in this phase we all lose a lot of hair, but it has really got me worried. And this experiment seems to be helping me a little. Sort. Yes, I braid down my hair at night so that I do not lose more of them. It is making my scalp oily. I don't know. Now guys, I want to introduce you to a very cool application which is called as Monthly Mall. It's a simple color predicting game. If you predict the color right, you can win lots and lots of money. There are so many people who are doing it and reaping the benefits. Also, it's like an MLM. If you refer it to your friends and they sign up from your link, you are gonna get commission. Now, I am new to this thing, but it has working out great for me. Also, if you want to know more about it, there is a Telegram group. I will make sure that I give the application link in the description box below, also the group, so that you can get little bit of help. And this is all. Go sign up right now, earn some money. Guys, I have the fermented rice water in a mug here. And I have never smelled anything this bad in life. Trying to do it and it's a little difficult and it's stinky. I hope it is worth it in the end. So guys, this is the next day and today I wanted to show you how my hair looks and what I feel about it. Yes, the smell is gonna be absolute torture. This is something I can tell you beforehand, but it is gonna be worth it because yes, it is improving the amount of hair I'm losing. I am just gonna show you the amount of hair I lost on day 3 and day 4 also, and just have a look at my hair right now. My hair definitely feels so much smoother. Stink a little, but yeah, I will show you guys how does it look from the back. And I just want to see if you are losing hair or not. Oh my god, single strand of hair has just come out, but it's just one strand, so I guess that it is definitely working for me in making my hair better. So as you can see, it's reducing. I'm happy with the results. all, this is gonna be day 7 and I'm so happy to share this news with you guys. I'm so excited that I carried out this experiment. I was literally at the verge of being depressed about it because I was losing a lot of hair every day. The quality of my hair was like, it was so supremely bad, I must say, because I showed you day 1. Here I'm gonna play it again so that you guys can have an idea how bad I felt about my hair. Now today they are more manageable, they are more soft. Yes, the major con is it is gonna make your hair stink a certain way, but it is definitely worth it. I'm gonna show you guys in front of the camera right now how beautiful it has made my hair. So they are softer. I just want to show you guys. The scalp is pretty clear, okay? I think that it helps with the scalp as well. So I can see one strand. It's definitely better than even yesterday. I'll see you guys soon with another video.